So, so my oral statement is just to, I'm here just to give this to the MSCC as well. I'm not lodging a report.
Oh, you're not lodging.
I'm not lodging a report. This is very, well, I want to be very clear. I'm just providing information and bringing attention of this report to the MSCC. And it's up to them to investigate. I'm just providing the venue and the place where this is being taken from. And you can read it yourself, and then details of it is all inside. So you can refer to it, you can quote it, but not from here. It's the report inside.
So you will be providing the report?
Yeah, I'm providing the report.
Applying them the report in case they don't have not read it.
In case they have not read it. Okay, so I'm just trying to bring to their attention. Okay, bring to their attention. So I'm not lodging a report. Very clear. Okay. Anyone else not here?